Right now we're running our Black Friday sales on the website. You can go to the website. The coupon code for the Black Friday sale can be found on the home screen. You'll see it scrolling at the top. And yes, our ongoing sales is still on. We still have the sales, the normal sales we're doing, but we are adding an extra, which is a 30% off on other items that are not on sale. The blue notification is the Black Friday sale, and the red notification is our normal ongoing sale. So right now everything is just on sale. Head over to the website www.houseofplush.com and shop.